Hey, please enjoy this white woman's review of a taiyaki pan.
So, here's my hand. They're really, really tiny. And the entire box is in Chinese. There's no recipe, there's no directions. It's just completely disappointing. And the picture on their ad, as you know, on Amazon shows it must be on like a really tiny plate because it looks like two of them fill up a dinner plate. Very deceptive. Very badly misrepresented. Super disappointed. I'm just going to Google it and try and find a recipe. Maybe find a YouTube show how you do this. But that just sucks. It really sucks.